how do you so getting back to the topic, तो मुझे ये बता या राव तू भी in you're in this topic as
Yeah.
well as तो मुझे तुम दोनों भी बताओ कि so फिर how do you get to this conclusion that okay, here is why I think Carrie might be wrong. Yeah, here is why I think LGBTQ, the community who were reaching for it, like कि transphobic है, homophobic है, and that and all that
Okay.
good stuff.
So I think this time I'll speak. For the question actually is कि Carrie is not कि Carrie गलत है कि नहीं. The question is कि अगर कोई opinion है internet पे, how do you figure out that this is a right opinion or not? Okay, and how do you make it your own? That is the question, right?
Wait,
So-
pause. Do you can the opinions be right or wrong though? Like
Okay.
it can be stupid, right? You
Okay.
can say it's
Okay.
a stupid opinion,
Okay.
right?
Fine. An opinion is acceptable to me or not acceptable, or in the sense कि I will either reject that opinion or I will accept it and make it my own, right? That is how opinions work. Right and wrong की बात भूल जाते हैं, ठीक है? Okay. But the basis on which I decide whether an opinion is right or wrong, is acceptable or is rejected, is by me trying to figure out कि ये सही है कि नहीं, ठीक है? Okay, how do I do that? At least for me, I would just whenever I try to form an opinion about anything, first of all मैं बहुत सारे opinions on the same topic सुनता हूँ, ठीक है? And then to be able, I have some sort of a hypothesis, ठीक है? कि ये है मेरा possible opinion, correct opinion, ठीक है? And then I try to attack that opinion from different angles. कि इसको मैं डिस्प्रूव कैसे कर सकता हूँ, इस ओपिनियन को जो मैं सोच रहा हूँ शायद सही है, इसको मैं डिस्प्रूव कैसे कर सकता हूँ फ्रॉम डिफरेंट एंगल्स. इफ फ्रॉम मल्टीपल एंगल्स ऑन अ मेजॉरिटी कंसेंसस ये ओपिनियन इज
Top पे आता है.
falsified, then I reject that opinion. If not, then it is probably, and if it falsifies the other opinion, the other attacking moves, then definitely I will accept that opinion. That is how it works for me, at least.
Do you relate with that? Who cares?
Shit.
Do you realize? Shut up. Okay, yeah, I do. No,
ये तो तू भी वही करता है.
Who cares I have noticed this one thing about him which I kind of admire and envy about him, is that I think he has reached a point in his life where he's like, his channel name and his like principles in life are very similar. Like he really doesn't care about your fucking opinion. Like okay, he will treat the troll and the person who like compliments him the same after a while.
I do.
Why is that? And how have you come to that? And were you always like this? First question, were you always like this?
Very hard question, man.
Just
Wait,
pick
so
just think,
just-
ask yourself and just answer.
Just the who cares wala attitude.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was not always like this.
Yeah.
But around 11th, 12th grade, I just stopped giving a fuck. I was like, fuck everybody. Because everybody thinks that they're right. And they want to force their opinion and viewpoints or whatever on you. They don't know shit. Okay?
Yeah.
They could be like walking other people's roads.
Yeah.
Okay, why the fuck should I follow them when they don't know shit? And I was right. So a lot of times, like when I went on my own way, okay, and even though everybody was speaking against me, I was right. So I just stopped giving a fuck. I see, like I would listen to you. Obviously, I won't fight. Okay, I stopped fighting too. Like that's another thing. I just stopped fighting.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, okay. You want to say this, say that. You want to believe this, वगैरह वगैरह. Nice, awesome, but I don't care.
Dale.
Yeah, wait, basically that.
So basically, one question to that. So did you report Shwetab Gangwar's channel?
What? Nahi, why?
Because
he always gives his opinions and you're like, fuck you, dude, I don't care. You stop trying to tell me your propaganda and stories. I'm just kidding, guys. Shwetab Gangwar's channel is amazing. We need him in the future podcast. I don't know why I segued that direction.
I like him too.
You
I
like him
don't fully agree with him,
Yeah.
but yeah, I like him.